My name is Dori O'Neill, and I'm addressing the people that want to make money online. If that's you, then keep watching this video because I'm going to share with you, whether you're a beginner or a pro, the shortest pathway to profits that you've ever seen, and it won't cost you a fortune to participate in what I'm about to share with you. In fact, you could take part in this entire exercise, join for free, and earn while you learn. The platform that I'm about to share with you is called Master Affiliate Profits. And Master Affiliate Profits is the brainchild of John Thornhill, Omar, and Melinda Martin. And as a short description of what Master Affiliate Profits is, it is an all-in-one platform that is both an income-generating platform, meaning that you can sell the platform itself, but it's also an affiliate marketing university that allows people to gain and learn more about affiliate marketing, starting at a free level and progressing their way up through courses. And yes, those courses are tiered and paid, but they allow you to earn while you learn, and it provides you with everything you need to become a successful affiliate marketer, from list building to traffic generation, video production, social media marketing. It provides you with absolutely all of the tools and tricks that you need. And on top of that, Master Affiliate Profits is perhaps the most powerful lead generation platform ever in existence. So if the platform is so good, what can I, Dori O'Neill, possibly add to this equation that will even make it better? Well, you see, I have been helping people for more than 3 decades own successful online businesses. In fact, I've helped over 550,000 in the company I'm most well known for, which is EYI, Essentially Yours Industries. I helped 550,000 people establish their own home-based business. I paid out $240 million in commissions, and that company, we finally listed it on NASDAQ, and it was a major success in my life. And now that I'm retired, I want to pay it forward. I want to provide you with the shortest pathway to profits possible. And so how am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to shorten the timeline from when you join to when you're able to make money. So let me give you scenario number 1. You join Master Affiliate Profits, and you see before you all of the courses, 41 of them or more courses that are in there right now. And you start your process of learning how to market the platform. Well, that's going to take you anywhere from 20 to 70 hours of time to become successful. What if I were to tell you that I'm going to provide you free, absolutely free, with the setup for your email sequences? That's going to save you time. What is the setup? What does that look like? I'm going to provide you with done-for-you email sequencing, both on the outside, the external way, and you'll learn more of that after you join my program, Master Affiliate Profits, through my team. It's going to cost you nothing. And then I'm also going to provide you with the internal email sequences, and I'm going to actually, while doing it and giving it to you for free, I'm going to show you how to set yourself up a secondary income stream by utilizing the lead generation capabilities that are built inside of Master Affiliate Profit. So that's called done for you. And by doing that, I have just sliced off a whole bunch of hours from that timeline of when you join to when you're able to make money. But then it even goes further than that. I'm going to give you for free when you're a paid member of Master Affiliate Profits. And remember, if you don't have the dollars to do it right away, you can earn while you learn and work your way up so that you can afford to become a paid member. And so as a paid member, I'm going to give you a YouTube viral funnel that was co-created with, yes, Mike Filsane from Groove Pages. Mike and I have collaborated on this project, and we created a YouTube viral funnel. The viral video funnel portion was inspired by Paul Murphy, who created Trip Funnels, multi-millionaire. So the three of us have combined our efforts, our knowledge, and put this together. And I'm giving you that for free. And so the features of the YouTube viral funnel is it allows you to capture leads. They go through a 10-part YouTube viral video sequence, and each video educates them on the features and benefits of Master Affiliate Profits, and thereby increases the percentage of people that actually enroll, and that means dollars for you. Very, very important. Not only do I give it to you, I host it and I maintain it, and I provide you with advanced training. My team, not just me, I'm the founder of a company called Mentored by Masters, and I have a number of mentors, including myself, that are going to provide you with over-the-shoulder training, support that you need to succeed. And all the while we're doing these done-for-you services, we're shortening the gap from the time you join to when you can earn income. That's the key. You want to earn income the fast, easy way, or do you want to go the slow, methodical way and spend hours upon hours going through the courses and having limited access to get your questions answered? If you want your questions answered and you want access to proven professionals, then join my Master Affiliate Profits team. And it starts by taking the free test drive of the YouTube viral funnel that you'll eventually be able to get for yourself for free. And you do that by going to yesshowme.com/map. That's yesshowme.com/map. Now, we're a community. We're building a community, and we've already got a lot of members in our community that interact. So it's really important that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's really important, and you'll help your cause by proving you're an action taker by leaving a comment on this video. That shows that you're engaged. But I'd like you to not just leave a comment. I'd like you to ask a question. And when you ask the question, you're helping the community. And one of the promises that I make is I'm going to identify people that are part of our community that become leaders, and there's going to be all kinds of additional benefits: free traffic, free training, free inner circle information. It's all free, but it requires effort and action on an individual's parts. And then the last thing I'm going to ask you to do is please like this video. Please show your support, get behind what we're doing, because we're here for you. This is about your journey to success. This is about your journey to recurring income. This is about you aligning with a community of people that will provide you with the truth, that will help you avoid spending useless dollars on useless products. And we're here dedicated 100% to your success. So again, please go to yesshowme.com/map, take the free test drive, and we'll see you on the success side of life. My name's Dori O'Neill. And I hope you'll watch the video that's associated on the screen right now. See you on the inside. Bye-bye.